Hello friends, welcome to this blustery, snowy day in Edmonton. My name is Anna Martins. We are about to tour this Ontario show home in Glenridding Ravine. So this actually backs onto a green space, which is glorious, and it has over $275,000 worth of upgrades. Yes, indeedy. So let's go see what this $979,000 Ontario 2,500 square foot 4-bed 3-bath gets you in Glenridding Ravine. Let's go check it out. And friends, if you might be considering a relocation, make sure you reach out to me and my people. We always take the stress out and we make it easy. So thanks for coming on this tour with me. This is a beautiful home. This is a really unique open to below that you're not seeing very often. Ontario is the only builder that I've seen that is doing this style. This is their Glenridding Ravine show home, and it is priced right now at $979,000, 2,500 square feet, 4-bed. It's got 3 full baths and unfinished basement, and it comes actually with a full back deck. If you might be considering a relocation, make sure you reach out to me and my people. Information below. And if you are looking for what kind of builder should I be looking for, I've got Edmonton's top 10 builders. Click the link below. It's going to help you make the smart decision. Thanks for coming on this tour. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.